You know, do nothing positive with your platform more than the cuss. Cause man no like them the foolishness. Man no like them the hatred. Where man hear them they sit the man thinks then go come home that night and get poison in them plate. Me think this woman, me say the people them pan Tina Chin page and cruel to her. They are so wicked. They're worse than her. You want to tell me say you have somebody where you care for so much, then all come over here. Me see them all come over here. Come say, are the truth she attack and this and that. Maybe they don't even have a say over our page. They can't speak. They can't use their finger to type nothing. But then come over here, they type and they say she attack truth. Oh, you feel attack truth and I tear down everybody. Oh, what truth does she speak from her mouth? We don't listen how the lady bad mind. She know about everybody funny something and call their name, yes, and then skip them and go on and go on. But what she did, when it go down to the person of interest, the person where she want about daily, you know, hear how she behave. But the part of it, why I posted that video, is the part where they call the lady pitney name, and they call her, the woman pitney big head, and they go on with her cell phone when you hear her. But you hear how she a class the woman pitney? You hear how she a class the woman pitney now? Me see enough people that ask if no mental facility in the America. No enough mental facility in America. A lot of them. Then they everywhere. Then they all about. But you know what? Maybe because they don't call them Bellevue on 10th floor. That's why this woman don't know where to go. I think this woman is sick and over sick. She will not allow nobody to comment on nothing what she do and say if they're not with her. If they're not in agreement with her, if you have root out people, you can't comment on her something. Because in the video, you could hear her. Make me look at all this. I don't like no human being with attack people children. These children are not a part of what they are doing. They are not a part of the mix up and the mischief, and they want to draw down people picking night. Because you know what? Let me tell you something. The reason why most people try to attack your children at times, and anybody that is going through a situation like that, don't ever lose hope. Don't ever lose focus. Don't ever lose any part of your mental status because somebody is attacking your children. That's how the devil works. So this is what this female is doing. She's talking so much about the lady every day, and she get up and she cuss out the woman every day, and she says she not move her. She start attacking child. In the name of Jesus, I curse the thoughts of her attacking that child, that innocent child. But if you don't listen to the video properly, she called everybody name and he call and he skip quick and fast. Because they go straight down to the person of interest. The person that I think she want to live in her skin. I don't know. I have no idea why is it so, but trust me. Sometimes the way I feel, me see some people they comment the things they want me think at times, and sometimes I think that these people all go jump off of one place because of the way they are acting. No, sir. The woman that go on, so the way the woman go on, what's wrong with these Jamaican women that are acting like that? The people them will sit down every day and cheer these people on. Cheer them on in this nonsense. cheer them on into tearing their own business down, cheer them on into so much drama and not making cupcakes, cheer them on into all the mess that they are doing on the internet, knowing that you're not doing nothing but tearing these people down. You're not doing, if you encourage somebody into nonsense, you're helping to tear them down. The people that claim that they love this female that come over my page trying to defend what she's saying, I mean, I'm black, you stay right over here and have no freedom of speech. Because maybe you can't comment over our page neither. Oh, why you so cruel to this female, knowing that she cool like that? You can't call her and tell her say she forget her checkup. Call her and tell her to take a vacation somewhere. Some of them not think about their grandchildren. She like kids, but she hate kids. Our friend them hate her. Me don't know say people, colleagues can't hate them so. Or maybe people that tell her to stop. That's why most times she end up out in the car where you don't want nobody in her household telling her to top axle. If you find a man to keep up in time, find a man to keep up your time instead of you getting up every day and acting that way. If she go get up and say that, but can you imagine Donna not to give birth to that little boy and the way she treat the little boy? Oh God. Can you imagine? She get up every day and had done a show and cuss. People can't possess over you, you know. People can't possess over your lifestyle. Good morning, Donna. Good morning, love. People can't possess over your lifestyle. But she get up every day and she said the woman have no business head. And right now she dey lose her head, you know. She's losing her head. Me not see woman a mix up cupcake no more. She dey on live morning, afternoon, evening and night. Nothing to the cupcake share about no more. And when he done get up and say people they mash up her business. But all me know, she mash up her cupcake business. Good morning, honey. She they mash up her own business and they cuss everybody on the internet today they mash up her business. She. All me know, the people that are Tina Chin's followers on a wicked. Not some wicked set of people. People will follow her, people will claim that they love her and no love her. You know, hate her more or she hate herself. You know, hate her. May I pray for her, no, may I pray for you all of them. And Missy said they need undivided intervention from God. Only God can save them. May I pray for her. And may I pray for all the rest where they go on so. But the people them when she have over her platform are one big bunch of haters. They hate her and just did it, they laugh. They hate her. Some of them can't even watch them, they live, they make their money in their house. Because their man run them out with the nonsense. Because man no like them the foolishness. Man no like them the hatred. Where man hear them, they sit in the man thinks so then go come home that night and get poison in them plate. Remember me tell you that somehow no can't watch them they live there. Where she they sit down there they preach make you no right it man hearing on the house. I don't know what she have against the lady. But the people them will sit down and they watch Tina Chin. Tina Chin, your followers them, the people them that cheer you into what you're doing, they hate you. They are sitting over there hating on you. and laughing at you too. The people that cheer you on when you have no rights and they can't comment nothing under your something, and then can't. Tina Chin get whole heap of views to her video, but she don't get a comment. Why? Because anybody comment on what she don't like, she block them. She blocked them. She blocked them on her page. So you don't have to be hypocrite. You don't have to continue to be some big old hypocrite over there. And they pretend as if you don't like what she's doing. They pretend. You know, only they pretend. You don't like it, but you don't like see she they go on with herself. Why? Maybe because you eat Donna, you self eat Donna. And you just like to sit down and listen to her about Donna. But she care about Donna and say Donna big. Me not like haters. You stop hate for the lady and go on like you don't like her because you hate her. Some of them they behave them kind of way there. And if they ever end up in a one room and see the person what then they hate on in the room as a surprise guest or whatever, they don't have no mouth. They don't have no mouth. They can't talk. They can't talk. You know how many people may see act that way on the internet? No get a thing. More than they mash up them page, they mash up what they do. She the ball and next people mash up our business and people put our business for YouTube and people put our business wherever. But she not learn because Donna say you must take lemon and make lemonade. And if somebody carry your business, go over YouTube. That not free commercial. Eh? That a free commercial, you know. And you should have go on with yourself. They make all kind of cupcake. And you should have make more and more cupcake and you get free commercial. I get popular. You get free commercial and I don't know what to do with it. The Bible tell us, you know, say, oh God bless, no man can curse. As she fear herself, she a curse. She fi stop what she a do. She fi behave herself and act properly, and she sick, she fi go find help. Look at Rose. Rose a fall person. Rose not in her hype, you know. Can me tell you something, a lot of people go around Donna and get a little highlight and go on with themselves. Rose just quiet and simple so. Rose take a camera and he video Donna, do video Donna video and he go on with her little self. And he enjoy a little time. Rose in her little kitchen and do what she do. Rose not trouble her soul and the woman all cuss Rose. It look like if she ever glimpse you one day shoulder to shoulder with Donna. You don't know what she say? She said, everybody take up Donna picture put on them platform. And then she take up the little girl picture. Or whatever it takes, put on for them platform. Oh no, oh everybody can post she. Oh everybody can post she. That simply means that when him get to work, you know, and him go on film platform, you know, and him decides to him search everybody page. Whoever put Donna picture on them. What a good thing, me never they put Donna picture on my page. For one woman cuss me say, me they go and like me love Donna. Me no post one more Donna picture again. One time I go post Donna picture for her birthday. And me say somebody come over my page. Cuss me off. Oh, me they go and like me like Donna from that. I take that lady picture of my page.